How to make your video rank first on YouTube and Google. Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you in a moment what do you need to know and do in order to position your video on the first places on Google and YouTube. Most of the people think you need to pay for ads to place your company or product first on these places or using SEO strategies. Well, those two work of course, but this I'm going to show you is way easier and cheaper. The truth is you don't have to spend on ads or hire someone for SEO to rank your product in the first places on Google and YouTube. You can do it for free. Actually, if you don't have subscribers, this is totally possible. Look, there is a way we are using to make this possible and I want to share it with you. So let's go straight to it. First, I'm going to talk about some important things of your video, like audio. Okay, audio is super important. Make sure the audio is clear. If it's not good, they'll bounce. Use a mic. You can get some decent ones from $50 to $100. Invest on this thing. It is worth it, okay? Make sure your video solves a problem. This is where you can actually solve your ideal client's problem. Remember, it is all about adding value to that person that is watching your video. Now, to come up with correct keywords for your title, use this plugin called Keywords Everywhere. I did another video on this inside my channel in case you want to check it out. Now that you have your title, make sure you use these keywords of your title to tag your video in the tag section and use it as well in the description. And make sure that when they click that link, the video delivers exactly what they come from. Side note, don't put any link on the description on your first 10 videos. Google and YouTube don't like that. We are working first on being known and trusted with the platform and our viewers. I have another video explaining this inside my channel in case you want to check it out. Okay, so now your video should be between 3 to 10 minutes solving that specific problem. That way you will get engagement and watch time. Try to at least aim for a 50% watch time to make the algorithm work for you. So make it all about solving that problem. These things and the title with the correct keywords and tagging those keywords inside your video information will give you ranking as well. So if you think this video gave you a better idea of how you can rank your videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for your time and see you later.